Good morning, everyone. This is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Hey, today I want to produce a very quick training video on how to repost stages to double or triple your traffic. But before I get into that indoor back office here, you'll see I have the dashboard, my campaign stages. We're going to go through some of that. But I have a little treat for you. A lot of people ask me, how do I get so many people coming in from LinkedIn? Now, Stage is very good on the Twitter side, and what I do is I use a program called AutoPilot for LinkedIn. The actual link to get a 10-day free trial, just write this down, is linkedinbuilder.biz, B-I-Z, linkedinbuilder.biz. So I'm going to click over here. It's actually running right now. That's why I thought I'd just record and show you. This is the software, AutoPilot for LinkedIn. We have a co-pilot setting, a manual setting, an auto endorse. You can see all the stats running here. We have options, who's viewed your profile, how you rank, create a post, all the searches. And you can actually go in here and see this running. So let me scroll down a little bit so you can actually see it right here. The yellow means it's visiting, and you see I put in a keyword called technology, and give it one more time here, and it's going to set up at the top. I'll show you here. Just watch what happens on the screen. Give it a few seconds. It's going to repost. There we go. We're recording this so it's a little bit slower. But you can see right here on the keywords I have technology. That's what I'm searching on the profiles. It's going to my second connections. Now I could do first, second, third, groups, things like that. But I just chose second connections within the United States right here, located in or near, so you can control all the search parameters. So you can see it gave me almost 500,000 people just using the word technology. So it's going to go out there and grab and visit 1,000 people, and LinkedIn is going to be notifying them that David Lundgren has visited their profile, and they visit me and they add me. And this is how I'm getting so many people chasing me. And when they send me an ad request, of course, what's happening behind the scenes is they're moving from a second connection to a first connection. And that means I can communicate with them. So this is running right now. We can do it many different ways. I can do a manual post. I can do an auto endorse. And I'll do that on my first connections. But since the second connections was running right now, and I'll just scroll down one more time. You can, well, it's at the bottom. You can see I'm on page 25. Here it's going to repost to the top of the page. And this is just going to run. Now, normally I do this at night while I'm sleeping. Just set it up, run, and it gives a lot of traffic coming in. So, since that was running, I just thought I'd give you a quick tour. So let's switch back to Stage members. Now, this is not for beginners, okay? We've already done other videos of how to stage it, how to go through the editor. So what I'm doing here is showing you right here. This little black icon means the StageBot has automatically posted this video from YouTube out to the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, social platforms. As of right now, you can see 14 people have received this. They've clicked on it and they've come back to my stage, and we're going to show you more of that. I'm just showing you right now, right here. See the channel? I control the channel. BuzzFeed, Vsauce, TYT, the Young Turks, Ellen Show, things like that. So they may have hundreds, if not thousands, of videos within those channels. So I control the channel. I control the campaign, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. So you can see this is what's happening right now. This is automatically running. But there's a little trick here now. We can go in and do some filters. So I'm going to click on Views, and it's going to go refilter the database, and you can see I can click it again, and it shows 0. That means for whatever reason these videos had 0 pull, and I know why, because well, I'll get into that later. I'm going to click on Views. It's because I haven't pushed it out. So I'm going to click on Views, and it's going to show you all these stages that have high thousands. This one's got 7,364. So 10 health benefits of drinking lemon water every morning obviously is hitting a nerve. And you can see right here. So I've already done a few of these. So I'm going to show you now how to repost. So what I've done is I've sorted the database by the highest viewed stages. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on, now I haven't done these, so I'm going to do 5 of them in a row so you can see it. So we're going to click on this one. It pulls up the editor, and you can see I've got the campaign already selected. It automatically pulled up the URL, the title, the description. I've already got all this done because it's already sent out automatically. But I'm going to go ahead and hit Auto Post to Social and hit Update, and then View My Stage. So it's going to pull up the actual stage, and here we go. It just takes a little bit to load everything. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here, TaxBot One Touch Tax Relief. So as soon as this comes up, I'm going to go ahead and hit the little Twitter button. And this is just a little slow because we're recording. Got a lot of bandwidth going on. We got the video going, we got the recording going, we got the globe pulling up, we got all the banners pulling up. So there's a lot of activity. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit wait. And because of the length of delay, that's why it came up with that little error. So we'll have to wait here. And you can see right down here the chart. I'll go ahead and read it to you. This website has had 57,998 visitors in the last 30 days. In fact, a record 183,000, almost 184,000 have stopped by this year so far. That's an average of 2,000 per day on total AutoPilot. This ability, let me go ahead and hit wait again. This ability to generate traffic cost me about $3 a day. So here's Twitter that came up. That was the delay. Now, my little trick is this. I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything, and I'm going to hit tweet. The reason I copy everything is because I'm going to use it on Google+. So you can see it pulling up. I'm going to stop the video, and I'm going to show you this right now. And you can see the map here. This is an interactive map. So when the stages get pushed out around the world, people click on those links, and it starts reporting where they live according to their IP address. And you can see we've had 2.3 million visits, and you can see right now I just pushed this out, and we have people from Eugene, Oregon. I can stop this real quick. Eugene, Oregon, Ventura, California, Butler, Pennsylvania, and so I can zoom in, I can move the map, I can hit, zoom in a little bit here, and you can see even out in the Amazon, out in the middle of nowhere, people are looking at my stages and seeing everything. So what we're going to do now is just click on LinkedIn. It's going to pull up the LinkedIn interface. It pulls in the picture, it pulls in the title, pulls in the link, everything. And I just click one button, hit share. It's done. Now I'm going to come back here and click on Google+. It opens up the box. There's all my communities, circles. And all I do is I copy this, but I've already done that in Twitter, so I'm just going to go up here and hit paste, and then I go down and I hit share. That's it. Real simple. Copy, paste, push a button, share. That's how and when it closes, and back here, we're going to go ahead and refresh the page to get the globe spinning again. And you can see by simply pushing this out to whatever you're doing, Facebook, Twitter, Dig, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+. It doesn't matter. It's pushing it out to those platforms. People are seeing that. They're seeing that link. They're seeing the picture. They click on it because it's a funny, interesting, educational video. It comes back to the video that they wanted to see. And you can see by putting the globe on here, we can see this interactive the feedback of where people are around the world. So I was going to do 5, but one is enough. It's the same thing over and over again by grabbing those videos, posting them out, reposting them, and seeing the feedback. Now, as a member of our team, I have a share code. It's a 5-digit share code. And what we can do is, when you're a member of our team, this share code will automatically pull over multiple different stages that are already designed, except a little fine-tuning. Fine-tuning might be get rid of David Lundgren's name, put your name. Get rid of my email, put your email. My phone number, your phone number, if you want to put it there. And so by just when you get ready to get started, you're simply going to go to joindavid.biz, which is a video overview of everything. Joindavid.biz. You go there, watch the video, click on the little button at the bottom that says get more info, get started, and you can actually pick the premium package, which is I pay $99 a month, $3 a day, 14 cents an hour. It's no big deal. Just think of how much money is being spent by businesses every day. So let me end by just putting in this video right here, and I'm going to scroll down. You can see all the banners, and all these banners will automatically be pulled over to your account. So I can come in here and the YouTube training we have all in there. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how quickly the feedback is, directly from the globe when you push out the videos. And when you get started, just ask David Lundgren for the share codes, and it will include everything, including this global map with all the red dots, all the traffic, and it'll make you look really good. Again, David Lundgren from the Digital Design Center. I hope you learned enough to be a little bit more dangerous. Have a great day.